Good morning, students. In previous video, we have seen what is difference between finite and non-finite verbs. Okay, we have seen that finite verbs are those verbs which will change according to the change of subject and tense of the sentence. Okay, they will change. But non-finite verbs will never change. If we will change the subject of the sentence or tense of the sentence, there will not be any change in non-finite verbs. Here in this video, we are going to see non-finite verbs in detail. There are only three types of non-finite verbs. One is infinitive, number two is gerund, and number three is participle. Okay. First, we are going to talk about infinitive. Children, you know there are three forms of verb. Okay. V1, V2, V3. V1 means present, V2 means past, and V3 means past participle. Okay. It means go, went, gone. Okay. So infinitives means to plus V1. To go. Okay. 2 plus V1. Whenever you will see in the sentence 2 plus V1 anywhere, that is infinitive. Okay. Like infinitive 2 plus V1. Like to go, to learn, to walk, to swim, to dance, to cook, okay, and so on. So whenever you will see 2 plus V1, it means they are infinitives. And in the sentence, infinitives will not be changed with the change of subject and tense. Okay. So infinitives, this is looking like verb. You can see to go. This is looking like verb. Basically, these are verbs, but they are not behaving in the sentence as verb. Okay, they will behave as noun in the sentence. How? Let's see. Okay, they are not doing functions of verb. They are behaving as noun in the sentence. And what is the function of noun in the sentence? Okay, noun can be subject of a sentence or object of a sentence. Okay, means for a word to be subject, it has to be noun. Okay, it means subject is always noun or pronoun, not only noun, but subjects are always noun or pronoun. In the same way, objects are always noun or pronoun. If you want to keep any word in place of subject and object, it has to be noun first. Okay, have you seen any sentence starting with the verb, adverb or adjective? No. Okay, because sentence start with subject and subject always is noun or pronoun. Okay, let's example. Now, suppose that what is the structure of sentence? The structure of sentence is subject plus verb plus object. This is the structure of sentence where the verb is transitive. You know, children, transitive verbs are what are transitive verbs? Transitive verbs are those verbs which takes object. Okay, after them. So, subject, verb, and object. You know, children, subject is always noun or pronoun. I can write in this way, and object is always noun or pronoun. I can write in this way to make you only to understand. So if I will write, okay, let's take an example. Rohan likes ice cream. Okay. Rohan likes ice cream. What is subject here? Rohan. This is subject. What is verb? Likes, verb. Ice cream. What is this? This is object. And what we have seen here, that subject is always noun or pronoun. Let's check. Rohan. What is this Rohan? Subject. Before verb, always subject, you know, children. And after verb, always object. Okay. If the verb is transitive. So Rohan, this is noun or pronoun? This is noun. Okay. Now, ice cream. What is this object? Ice cream. This is noun or pronoun? This is noun. The condition is fulfilled. Okay, to be subject. Okay, subject and objects both are noun here. So let's take one more example. Now, if I will write the sentence, Rohan, okay, we have written the same subjects, likes, same verb, likes. Now, in place of ice cream, let's write Rohan likes to dance. Okay. Now, you tell me what is subject, verb, object, what is this? You tell me. First of all, Rohan. We are talking about Rohan here. So, Rohan is subject. Rohan is subject. You know, children, subject is always noun or pronoun. So, what is Rohan here? This is noun. Okay. Likes. This is verb. Verb. You know, before verb, subject. And after verb, if the verb is transitive, there is object. But here, let's see. Rohan likes. Now, ask question to know whether the next word is object or something else. Rohan likes what? What does Rohan like? Answer comes to dance. Okay, this is answer. And if we get the answer using what or whom, the question, the answer will be always object. That we have seen in the kinds of object. And what is the condition for object? It is important for a word to be object. That the word has to be noun or pronoun. So here to dance. This is looking like verb because dance, you know, dance is activity. But here dance is not. Rohan likes to dance. Rohan is not dancing here. Dancing is not any action that is done by Rohan. But Rohan likes to dance. Okay, this is the name of the action, name of the activity that Rohan likes. So this is behaving as noun here. Okay, because objects are always noun or pronoun, and here to dance is behaving as noun here, not verb. In the same way, we can take next sentence also. Suppose that Reena likes to play. Here also, Reena, this is subject, verb likes, and after before verb subject, after verb, if the verb is transitive, object. Likes what? Answer comes to play. So this is object, and objects are always noun or pronoun. Okay, to play. This is the name of the action. So this is to play is object, and this is behaving as noun here. So we have seen that infinitives can be object of a sentence and can be subject of a sentence and can be object of a sentence. Okay, but only you have to see whether the V1 is followed by 2 or not. 2 plus V1 is always infinitive. See how 2 plus V1 means infinitives are used in place of subject. Means they can be subject in a sentence. And you know, children, to be subject, it has to behave as noun, not verb. And to be object also, it has to behave as noun, not as verb. Okay, here, let's see. Number one example. To swim is not easy. You know, children, to swim. Okay, 2 plus V1. This is infinitive. Okay. Number one, we have to see here what is subject. And you know, children, what is verb here? To swim is not easy. This is very easy. So let's take verb first. This is verb. And what is always before verb? Subject. Before verb, subject. And after verb, object. So, what is before verb? To swim. This is subject. Because before verb, always subject is placed. And after verb, there is object, sometimes complement also. That depends on the sentence, on the verb. What kind of verb is there? So, to swim is not easy. Here, to plus swim. This is behaving as subject. And 2 plus V1 is always infinitive. So this is non-finite verb and this is used in place of subjects. To swim is not easy. Number 2 sentence. To learn Sanskrit is difficult. Okay. What is subject here? Subject. How will you understand? Before verb, subject. After verb, objects. This is object or complement. That depends on the kind of verb. This is verb. Before verb, what is written? To learn Sanskrit. This is 2 plus V1. This is infinitive. But you know, children, 2 plus V1, if infinitive, after that, few words are written, okay, not verb, they will be called phrase. So this is infinitive phrase. We can underline this much, okay? Before is, this whole is subject. So to learn is infinitive. And this is behaving as subject here. This is subject here. And you know, children, subject is always noun or pronoun. Okay. So this is behaving here as noun. Now next sentence. To respect our parents is our duty. What is subject? To respect our parents. Okay. 2 plus V1, this much only. To respect. But after that, few words are written here that we will take as infinitive phrase. Okay, we can say infinitive phrase. But this is subject only because before verb, the whole part is called subject. Okay, and from verb till the last word of a sentence, that is the part of predicate. Okay, and here I'm going to see, we are going to see to respect our parent. This is infinitive. To respect, actually this is infinitive, but we will take this also as phrase. To respect our parents. And this is verb. Okay, is our duty. This is complement. Now next sentence. To advise others is very easy. What is subject here? Before verb, of course. This is subject. This is subject. This is subject. So this is subject. And this is verb. And this is complement. Why? Because you can see being verbs are written. Okay. After that, we have seen in the incomplete verb. In that video, we have seen if, is, am, are, being verbs are written. And after that, the words are written, we will hide and it will not make any sense. It means the next words are complement. So here I'm not going to discuss this. Only we have to see 2 plus V1 means infinitives are written here as subject. They are written in place of subject. So being a subject, the word has to play the role of noun or pronoun. So they are behaving here as noun. And before that, we have seen 2 plus V1 infinitives are written in place of object, and also objects are noun or pronoun. So 2 plus V1, this infinitive has two main work. It can become a subject of a sentence, and it can become an object of the sentence also. Okay, so whenever you will see in the sentence 2 plus V1, anywhere, okay, not only in place of subject and object, they can behave as adjective also, sometime as adverb also. You have to be very careful. 2 plus V1 means infinitive. Okay, I will give you big sentences and you can see after this. Children, wait for a minute. Okay, I want to give you a hint. How to recognize infinitive. And gerund also, when I will explain you gerund, that time also I will tell you that. But here, infinitive. Okay, because infinitives can be in place of subject also, and they can come in place of object also. But beta, when you will translate infinitives, okay, in Hindi, there will be na letter. Okay, like to swim is not easy. When we will translate the sentence in Hindi, to swim is not easy. To swim means, what is the meaning of to swim? That is तैरना. तैरना. तैरना आसान नहीं है. Okay, तैरना आसान नहीं है. So here word is ending with na word. तैरना. So this is infinitive. You know, gerund also has some hints. But when I will explain you that time I will differentiate how to differentiate that. To learn Sanskrit is difficult. You can see. To learn Sanskrit means Sanskrit सीखना. Is difficult means मुश्किल है. Here सीखना. सीखना. You know, तैरना ना letter, सीखना ना letter. To respect our parents is our duty. What is our duty? To respect our parents means हमारे पेरेंट्स की इज्जत करना, रिस्पेक्ट करना. Here also करना, करना. You can see the word is ending with करना, सीखना, तैरना. Now to advise others is very easy. Here also to advise others, if you will translate in Hindi, it becomes दूसरों को सलाह देना. Okay, here also सलाह, सलाह देना is very easy. बहुत आसान है दूसरों को सलाह देना. So the words are ending with na word. Okay. You can see in place of object also what we have. I have given you sentences. You can translate into Hindi and you can see the words will end with na letters. Now let's see these sentences. Number one sentence. To play on the road is not safe. Okay. What is here? To play. What is subject here? This is verb. Before verb, this whole is subject. And after verb, not safe. This is complement here. Okay. We are going to talk here about infinitives. Okay. Non-finite verbs. To play on the road is not safe. Actually, to play. 2 plus V1 is this. So this is infinitive. Okay. But because after that few words are written, so this we can say this is infinitive phrase. Okay, infinitive phrase. So to play on the road is not safe. Here also, if you will change in, if you will translate in Hindi, what is the meaning in Hindi? What is coming here? To play on the road means road par khelna. Here also, what is Hindi word? Khelna comes. Okay, let me write here. Khel. Na. Here also na word. Khelna. We are on the roads. It is impossible to live without water. Here also what? Where is 2 plus V1? This is 2 plus V1. This is infinitive. This is also infinitive. Let me write only infinitive. Okay. It is impossible to live without water. What is impossible? To live without water. Means पानी के बिना जिंदा रहना क्या है? Impossible है, असंभव. यहाँ पर भी क्या आता है? जिंदा रहना, to live, survive करना. Here also करना. He wanted to play with me. He wanted to play. Here also you can see 2 plus V1. Subject this, wanted verb, and after verb you can ask question, wanted what? To play. So this is placed in the place of object and this is behaving as noun here because this is the place of object and objects are always noun to noun. And you can translate in Hindi. He wanted to play. He wanted to play. वो क्या चाहता था? खेलना चाहता था. किसके साथ? मेरे साथ. तो खेलना. Here also the word, the Hindi meaning is that खेलना. Ravi forgot to post the letter. Ravi forgot to post. 2 plus V1. This is infinitive. And all infinitives are non-finite verbs only. So to post the letter. You can change. You can translate in Hindi. To post the letter means लेटर को पोस्ट करना. Here also करना. The word is ending with करना. Post करना भूल गया. To tell a lie is wrong. What is wrong? This is placed in place of subject. So what is wrong? झूठ बोलना. Here also बोलना. You can see the word is ending with na. So this is a hint also. Okay. And I think it is clear to you. There's no any confusion. And after this in the next video, I will make the video of gerund and participle together.